Welcome, gold traders. This is Raiju. I would like to share my outlook on gold, especially XAUUSD pair. I would like to share my outlook. This is a monthly chart, and currently this month looks very bearish. Looks like it's going to break and continue downside. Um, Looking like that, but at the moment it's on support level, and we have almost half of the month. There is another 15 days. I'm not expecting gold going downside. Instead, I'm expecting gold go more upside somewhere around 1862. I mean, this month probably gonna close somewhere around 1862, and next month in October we're gonna close somewhere around. We're gonna reach somewhere around 1955, and then it is going to reach from 1955 and gonna reach somewhere around 1460 or 1450. That's the price action I'm looking, instead of going towards a new high, because I'm not supporting. I'm not fundamentally and technically I'm not supporting this because I see a lot of corrective pattern, and the time is not matching for a breakout. So that's why I'm looking for downside target more than upside based on the time analysis. So let's have a look into what's happening in weekly. And this week I can really see that week is bearish. It is closed very bearish, and it looks like it's gonna going down somewhere around 1690, or maybe the week may going to get filled. It give a lot of confidence to sellers because of this solid bearish candle. But this can be this has, see what happened, this bearish candle after a long bullish run. It happened that, which is normal in any market, because I don't see any kind of reversal over here. It looks like an evening pattern, but I'm not agree with it, because there are a lot of issues. I found it in daily time frame. Um, Okay, when you go into daily time frame, as you can see, the trend line is coming from the bottom. It's a monthly, in the monthly chart. This is coming, and this is the resistance area, the channel which has been broken clearly, and it is broken again the previous channel resistance, a trend line, and moved up and reached the previous monthly high, and it started to coming back down. So we had a double top in a monthly high here, and definitely it should reject minimum 38 percentage, and so far it's not reached 38 percentage. But I am very no, what you say, I'm not looking for the 8% correction, because the price has been supported many ways. As I see, the first thing of the support, this structure is looks to me a wedge pattern. Looks to me like a wedge, expanding wedge. So I'm expecting definitely move upside. It's not going down, because this is a similar pattern we see on DXY last week. Suppose let's open DXY. As you see here, the last week when we close here, the DXY is closed at that position, and when there is an FP and it closed at the position, we see what happened next is started to move up. The gold is exactly showing the same pattern over here. Is, yeah, definitely touch 8082, but it is showing a pattern similar to DXY. So it should go up and reach somewhere around 1811 next week. That's what I'm looking, 1811. And let's have a look what happened to Elliotwave, to the Elliotwave. So I know, I'm very bullish on gold, and from here to here, this is a almost $80 move, which is the longest first wave I ever seen after a huge drop, and the third wave has to be longer than the $80, which is not here. This could be here somewhere there, third wave. And the fourth and the fifth wave somewhere here. This is the way I counted. Um, so here is the extensions probably. So you can see there's one, two, three, four, five. So let's say let's measure the wave. Is the first wave, second wave, and the third wave, or maybe this wave has to be fifth wave has to finish somewhere around 1823 mark. Let's test. Look at this. It's clearly reached that line, tested the target, and that's why I've made this is a wave one, because this whole structure is finished, complete fifth wave impulse finished, and I'm looking for A, B, C corrections. I'm looking for a correction somewhere deeper here, but NFP has spoiled my view and it's made it up. And as you can see, NFP has made a breakout and respecting the trend line. Um, and I made a channel based on that trend line. The channel I made first one is this one. This is the first connected channel, and this bottom of the channel I connected with the lower, the previous low somewhere around 17. And we did this web extension, and as you can see, the price is still moving, respecting the median and moving through a channel, and that's still supported by the wedge bottom. So I am expecting that the price will not go below 1781. So I'll tell you why 1781 a bit, because, and as you can really see here, as a technical analysis, a pattern analysis, you see a flag here, um, a flag which is um, which is a bearish flag, and the price expecting to break. Normally, the price expecting break down and no, break down and go. But I am not considering this pattern because the pattern is there. But I think this will not happen because there are some structures need to be break, and I don't think it will break very fast. Many guys, many bulls are worried about kind of spike down, which is uh, this is not happen every week or every day. This is once in 10 years this happen. They call it like a technical glitch, and normally this is the it is just like moving stop losses of every bulls, or maybe lack of volume. Then only this kind of price will happen. It will not happen every week, so I'm not expecting a big drop here, because there was no pattern supporting a big drop. But here it was. I see this earlier rejection before it is coming in, but here there is nothing so far. So at least you need to test a high before rejecting it. So as I said, the first wave is finished, and I'm looking for a irregular flat correction. So this particular flat correction is measured, the wave is measured from A to B. It is exactly came at 1782.18 and the respected level, and it is supported by the trend line which I made over here. In case if I'm wrong, the price, I'm going to make the channel to say this is the proper way to make channel. Look at this median price respecting that median is not going to break it, and it can reach the bottom of this channel somewhere around 1758 or 59. So that is called, like we can say that A B C straight impulse, but still it's in a wave 2. Then after this it's gonna start move up. But for this time I'm looking into a support with the monthly trend line and a wedge, and the weekly close with the full body weekly close. It gives me we are not there. Okay, we it is a full body weekly close. It's just like full body monthly, or sorry, full body candle close on daily or weekly, monthly, it is a sign of a reversal most of the time. So let's see what happened to what happened to next week, because we got a full body weekly candle. And let's see, if suppose if we're going to bounce it, I'm expecting this is an impulse wave, I'm expecting a corrective wave. As per harmonic perspective, when you are going to look for a corrective wave, as you can see, we're getting a nice bat somewhere around here, and we can the elite wave guys can be named as 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, or after this it's gonna correcting, it's gonna break up this wave. I think this wave, if it's going to impulse, it's gonna touch here, and it this wave impulse will break up and move, and for this wave, the fourth wave will come and test it over here and start to move up. And this is what I'm expecting for next week. Anyway, I'm looking for 805 for some kind of resistance, and then comes back down one more time towards to the target of 1786, and then I started to move up from there. And that's my analysis for this week. Thanks for your time. Good luck.